Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that I didn't post any video last week because I was a bit busy in my job life, and that's why I was not able to give time to my YouTube. So finally, after a long time, I got some time to shoot a video, and that's why I am here today. So today's video is a haul video. There was no plan of making this haul video, and the moment I realized that I have purchased a lot of products, I decided that I should make a haul video now because it was really not in my plan, but I have purchased so many products the last month. So I decided that okay, so I have so much products, so why not to make a haul video. So yeah, today I'm back with a huge skincare, hair care and body care haul. So yeah, without any further words, let's get started with this video. So before starting my videos, those who are new here, hey, I am Riya and I make videos on skincare mainly, and you can check my content. So I make videos on a couple of content. So if you like any of these, you can subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So starting with the repurchase products. So the products that I have repurchased this month are, so I expected that there will be a lockdown in this month of May. That's why I wanted to restock my products as soon as possible. As you all know, I have an ultra dry skin, and if I don't apply moisturizer, my skin becomes so much dry, so I can never run out of my moisturizer. So the moisturizers that I have repurchased is the simple ones. So I have purchased 2 of these moisturizers, you can see. So I really need a lot of moisturizer, guys, and I can just finish these 2 bottles in just 3 months. It's not a big deal for me, and I need too much moisturizer because I apply moisturizer during the day and also during the night, and yes, that's why I need a lot of moisturizer, and that's why I have purchased 2 of these simple one. Also, the reason was I got this at offer, that's why I purchased 2 of them from Nykaa. So I got one at 270 rupees and the other one at 327 rupees. So I bought this at 327 when there was not any offer, and after some days I noticed that there's an offer going on. That's why I purchased again this one. So yeah, that is the reason of purchasing 2 products. So if you want the review of this simple moisturizer, you can check my review video here. I have made a whole video on this moisturizer, so you can check it out here. So the next one is a moisturizer that I have purchased to try out. So this is the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. So this one I wanted to try, and that's why I purchased. And also this simple moisturizer has lactic acid in it, so I can't pair it with any vitamin C serum. So I needed a moisturizer that I can pair with a vitamin C serum. That's why I purchased this Cetaphil one, and also this is a fragrance-free moisturizer. So it says that it won't clog pores, it is hypoallergenic, it is non-greasy, non-irritating, and it is perfect for 24 hours moisturization and for daily use. So I have seen a lot of videos on this moisturizer. It is so good. Many YouTubers also prefer using this moisturizer. That's why I decided to try this out. So next I have purchased 3 serums the last month. So as you all know, I have already used the niacinamide serum from Be Minimalist, so I decided to try a niacinamide serum from a different brand, and obviously that should be fragrance free. So that's why I didn't repurchase the Be Minimalist one, and I decided to buy this Dr. Seth's niacinamide and centella serum. It has 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc PCA and 0.1% sodium hyaluronate, that is hyaluronic acid. It comes in a quantity of 30 ml, and it costed to me about 519 rupees. It comes in a very reasonable price, that's why I purchased this serum. So let me show you the bottle inside. I have not started using any of these products yet. I was just waiting for this video, and then I will start using these products, and soon I will make review video of each of these products. So this is the packaging. So the MRP of this serum is 649 rupees, you can see here. So yeah, like it also provides a dropper inside this. So this is the dropper. So yeah, like I am really eager to try out these serums. I just want to see how this works on my skin. I have never tried any product from Dr. Seth's, so this was my first purchase. And I have also bought another serum from same brand. So this is their Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. It says it is pH balanced, dermatologist formulated and fragrance free. It brightens, repairs and hydrates your skin. So let's see the bottle. So this is the bottle of, it comes in a pump like packaging. The previous serum was in dropper kind of bottle, and this is in a pump packaging, you can see. So I really prefer pump bottles rather than dropper ones, because when you take it out of the dropper bottle, you are really exposing it to the air outside, and I don't want to expose my actives to the air. That's why I prefer pump bottles. I don't know why. When so many brands uses dropper kind of bottles, I really don't have any idea. So yeah, so I have purchased these two products from Dr. Seth's, and I am really eager to try this out and know that how it works on my skin. So the next serum is the vitamin C serum from Be Minimalist. So many of you have commented on my videos that why don't I use the vitamin C serum from Be Minimalist. So yeah, this time I purchased this product. So they have changed their packaging a lot. So inside this box you have another box, and inside this you get to see the product and the bottle. So they have changed their bottles to these black ones, you can see. So previously they used to have those white frosted bottles, but now they have this kind of bottles. So yeah, I really love using vitamin C. I have also used vitamin C previously. So this was the first time that I purchased this vitamin C serum that is fragrance free from Be Minimalist. So yeah, I will surely make a review video of this also. So it comes in a price of $6.99, but I got this at 10% off, and it costed to me about 6.25, I guess. Yeah, 625 rupees. And yeah, it has vitamin C 10% and AG 1%. So I will talk in detail about this product in the review video, so stay tuned for that. So the product that I have purchased next, I was really dying for this product for a very long time. It was in my plan that I will buy this product for sure, and I finally purchased this one, and this is an essence from Cosrx, and I have been hearing about this product for so long time, and I finally got this product. So I purchased this Cosrx Galactomyces 95 Tone Balancing Essence. So it is such a beautiful product. Oh my god, such a nice packaging. Bottle, oh my god, it's so nice and aesthetic. I really love this packaging. So I bought this at nearly 1300 rupees. There was something offer going on at macaron.in. So I purchased this product from their website, and it comes in 100 ml quantity, and yeah, I'm really eager to use this essence, and this is the first essence of my life. I have never used any essence before except the L'Oreal Paris one, which badly broke me out and dried my skin. So this one I have purchased with a lot of hope, that because I heard so many good things about this brand. So this is my first product from Cosrx, and it is also a Korean brand, as you all know. So yeah, I'm very much eager to try this out, and I also will surely do a review video of this product. It claims that it is formulated with Galactomyces ferment filtrate 95%. This essence helps nourish and hydrate the skin, and over time making it appear more radiant and clear. So the main thing that it does, it hydrates your skin to a great extent, which is necessary for people like me who have very dry skin. So yeah, that's why I purchased this essence. So the next product that I have repurchased, and this is my holy grail cleanser that I have been using for the past 2 months, and this is the Cleanse Me cleanser in the pH 5.5. and already I have made a review video on this, and you can check it out here. So it comes in a price of 190 rupees, and I bought it from Amazon, and it is not available on Nykaa, so you have to get this from Amazon. And it is really a very mild cleanser. I have talked in detail about this product in my review video, so you can watch the full video and get to know in detail everything about this product. So next I have purchased 2 products from the brand Muji, which is a Japanese brand, and I was hearing a lot about this brand lately, and that's why I decided to try this out. So I have purchased only 2 products from this brand. So one is the light toning water in the variant High Moisture. So this is for sensitive skin people. I have already started using this toner. You can see how much I have finished. So this toner is really so much hydrating, guys. For summer it is very good. Like 2 days before, my skin was getting so dry. That's why I just applied this toner, and after that I applied this moisturizer. So it really makes my skin so soft and hydrated, and I really love using this toner. And this is This has a very light consistency. Let me show you. You can see it has a watery kind of consistency, but it is a little bit sticky because it has hyaluronic acid in it. So I really love using this toner. I really like this toner and I can repurchase this again. So yeah, I purchased this product from Ajio.com. So you can get Muji products only at their website, and it was in the price of $690 I guess for 200 ml. So next I have purchased their moisturizing milk in the variant high moisture again. I will say that this moisturizer is not for oily skin people. This is only for dry skin people who have the issue that their skin is getting too much dry, so they can use this moisturizer. Also, I feel this a little bit heavy during the summer. It is best for the winters, and it has really a very nice consistency, like a runny consistency. It is not that much thick, but after applying it will make your face very much like full of moisture. And yeah, this is also for sensitive skin people, and it has also some very good ingredients in this product. So I will try to make a review video on these two Muji products, and there you can get to know about the full review of these two products and how it worked on my skin. Also, I got this at a price of 790 rupees, and it is also a 200 ml quantity. So the second last product that I have purchased for my face is these two facial kits. So this is the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial. So this is the first time that I will be going to try out this facial kit, and it comes in a price of rupees 300 for I guess 20 gram. Yeah, and I have purchased two of this same facial kit, and it is really a one-time use facial kit. You can see it is so small in size. And let me show you how many steps it has. Guys, it has 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It's a 7-step facial kit, and that attracted me. That's why I bought this product. Also, it don't have any kind of physical scrub. It has this second step, I guess. Yes, in the second step you can see here it has this deep peel. So this is a mask kind of thing, and you need to just apply this on your skin and then wash it off. So I think it has a chemical exfoliant in it, and yes, it don't have any physical scrub. So I like this thing about this facial kit. So I will like to try this out very soon, and then I will surely post my review on Instagram. So for that you need to follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account is skincare_holic, skincare_holic. So you can check the reviews of this facial kit on my Instagram account. I will post it very soon. And the last thing that I have purchased, I was like so much crazy. I have gone so much crazy that I have purchased this lot of sheet masks from Tony Moly. I am going to try this out for the very first time. I have not tried any sheet mask from any brand before, and this is my first time that I have purchased so many sheet masks. And there was an offer that buy 5 and get 5. That's why I purchased 10 sheet masks. These are the sheet masks that was in the Pureness 100 range of Tony Moly. So I have purchased this snail mask sheet, then red ginseng mask sheet, then collagen mask sheet. So all of this come in 21 ml quantity, and I have not used any of these yet. So the next that I have purchased is this 4 Master Lab sheet masks from Tony Moly. So the hyaluronic acid one you can see. So then I have the Centella Asiatica. Then I have the ceramide one. All of these 4 are priced at rupees 150. So I paid for 2 and got 2 free. So next is this red wine sheet mask. This is 100 rupees. This is also the pomegranate sheet mask, and the last one is the grape mask sheet. So yeah, that was my 10 sheet masks that I've purchased, and I'm really very much like waiting to apply these sheet masks. So that was all with my face care range. So next comes, like, the majority is over. So next comes my hair care products. So I have purchased this shampoo from Khadi Naturals, and I have started using this shampoo. It comes in a price of 250 rupees. MRP is 250 rupees, but I got this at some around 218 rupees on Nykaa. I purchased this from Nykaa, and don't purchase this from Amazon because there are a lot of fake khadi products on Amazon. So always purchase this from Nykaa if you want to. So it is really a very good cleanser, I will say, and I am really happy. I think I have found my holy grail shampoo, and I don't like to change my hair care products so frequently. That's why I don't think that I will change my shampoo now. And this is the Khadi Naturals Amla and Bhringaraj hair cleanser. This is SLS and paraben free, and it rejuvenates hair. It reduces your dandruff, reduces hair fall, and nourishes your hair. So the quantity is 210 ml, and I got this at a price of 218 rupees, and that was a great deal. They have changed their packaging, and the previous packaging was something different. And yeah, I really love this shampoo. It really cleanses my scalp thoroughly. Oh my god, I'm sweating like a pig right now. Oh. Okay, so the next product is this Plum hair mask. So this is the new launch, and I purchased the day it was launched. That's why I got this at offer. So the MRP is above 600 rupees, but I got this at somewhat 500 something. And also I got this neem comb free with this Plum hair mask. So it is the avocado hair mask, and I have not used this yet. So after I use this, I will post a review on my Instagram account. So it comes in a quantity of 250 gram, and it is a decent price for a hair mask. I think it is not too much costly, and yeah, I will love to try this hair mask. So the comb that I got free, I can show you. So this is the neem comb that I got free with this hair mask because I purchased this on the launch date. So that's why there was an offer. So that was all with my hair care products. Next is my body care products for summer. With this hair mask, I purchased this shower gel Hawaiian Rumba from Plum. I will be trying out shower gel for the very first time. I know you will be a bit amazed to hear that out. So it has a price of 380 rupees for I guess 200 ml. Let me see. Yes, it is a 250 ml quantity, and it comes in a price of 380 rupees. So in the summer you really need a shower gel to smell nice because we sweat too much in the summer. So you will also feel a bit refreshed, and I prefer using some kind of beachy fragrance. That's why I bought this Hawaiian Rumba. So the name is kind of beachy. Since I bought these two products, this shower gel and this hair mask, so I got this minis free from Plum. So let me show you. So in this box I have one shower gel, one mini shower gel, you can see, and the next that I got free is this body mist. This is also a mini size. This is the Hawaiian Rumba body mist. So this smells, oh my god, this smells really nice. Oh my god, it is so amazing. I really love the fragrance of this body mist. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. I can't even explain. You really need to try it out. If you are in love with beachy fragrance, you will surely love this, and it also makes you feel so much fresh during the summer, in the hot summer days. So you really need this body mist. I will purchase the full size of this body mist after I finish this up. The next product that I have purchased is a body lotion from Nivea. I have purchased the 400 ml bottle, and the price of it is 425 rupees, but I got this at offer, and I bought this from Big Basket, and I got this at 318 rupees only. So in the shops you can ask them the price, they will say 360 to 370 rupees. But I got it as a great deal on Big Basket, so that's why I bought it from there. So it was only 318 rupees there. You can also get it at Nykaa at offer. So this is the Shea Smooth Body Milk with 48-hour moisturization, and I have decided to use body lotion the entire year. That's why I purchased a big bottle of Nivea. So yeah guys, that was all about my summer skincare, hair care and body care haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video, because I love watching haul videos a lot, because you get to see a lot of products in those videos. That's why I decided that I should make a haul video, because I didn't know that I will end up purchasing so much products. So I will be using all of these products, and after I finish up using all of them, I will surely post review video one by one. So that's why stay tuned to my channel for the review videos. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I want to tell you something, that we are passing through a very hard time, and so many people are dying outside, and I don't know why people are not conscious about their health and about their life even. So I will request you to please stay indoors. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Stay indoors and keep yourself safe, and also your family members, because if you are affected, your family members will also get affected. And every day in the news we are hearing that there are no beds left in the hospitals or nursing homes, and I don't want you people to suffer from this virus, COVID. So yeah guys, please stay safe, stay healthy, and do what you love inside your house. Don't go outside, because that is not necessary now, and that is my request to all of you. And yeah guys, see you again in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe.